Something was following me. I knew something wasn't right before I even saw it. The next day, I wasn't even going nowhere. Just driving, clearing my head. Everything looked normal, but it ain't feel normal. That's when I noticed it. A car behind me. At first, I didn't think nothing of it, just another set of headlights. But then, I checked again. They were still there. Same distance, just sitting behind me. So now, I'm paying attention. Not on no paranoid type shit, just aware. You ever get that feeling like your instincts start talking before your brain catches up? Yeah, that. So I took the next exit, just to see. They took it too. That's when I knew, this ain't random. Light turned red, we both stopped. Everything got quiet. Not like no sound, but like the moment slowed down. Then they pulled up next to me. I look over, just a black car, clean, nothing crazy, but something about it felt intentional. They rolled the window down. Yo, I like your car. Pull up tonight. The way they said it, it was too calm. Like they already knew I might say yes. We exchanged numbers, and right after, my phone vibrated. They sent the addy. I ain't even check it right away. Something about rushing it felt wrong. I looked over, I'll see. Light turned green, and we both pulled off. I ain't gonna lie, I pressed a little, just to see. And Halen Jack let out a low, aggressive growl. Not loud, but enough to feel it. Like it wasn't just reacting, it was responding. Like it already knew what this was. Then it eased through, smooth. No hesitation, just move like it been ready. They went their way, I went mine. But at that point, I knew this ain't random. I wasn't looking for nothing, but something was looking for me. Or maybe it was looking for Halen Jack. I don't know yet, but I can feel it now. Night is coming, and it don't feel like just another night.